Chapter 27 for solving problem of the day from GFG. Let's look at today's problem. Okay, so Geek is extremely punctual, but today even he is not feeling like doing the homework. He must start doing it immediately in order to meet the deadline. For the assignment, Geeks needs to type a string. To reduce his workload, he is following some operations. First is append a character at the end of the string. Second one is append the string from so far the end of the string, which can be done only once. Okay. So let's understand the problem using this example. So what the question is saying is we have given this string. Okay. Now we need to return the minimum number of operation to make this string. Okay. We have to make this string. This string is given. We have to make this string, and we have to return the minimum number of operation to do that, to make the string. So the operations are there are two operations. One is just add a character, just add a, then b, then c, like this. And the second type of operation is, suppose you add a, then you add b, then you add c. So this string is made by just first operation. Okay. So the second operation is what is, till now the string is abc, so just append this whole string at the end of this string. So the string will be like abc abc. To append the string made till now at the end of the string itself is my second operation, and I can do this second operation only once. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so let's do these operations to make the solution. So what I can do is I can add a, then I can add b, then I can add c, then I can add again a, then I can again add a, right? Then I am just doing the first operations again and again. Okay, repeatedly. Then I am adding the b, then I am adding the c, then I am adding the a. So there are 7, so number of operations is 7 here. If I just use the first operation, okay, only first operation. Now I can do the second operation only once. That is the point. Okay, so if I use both of the operations, what will be the answer? Look carefully. I add a, then I add b, then I add c to it, then I append this whole string at the end of this string. So this will be like abc abc. After that I add a, and we made the string. Now here we got 7 number of operation, here we got 5 number of operation, because we use this second operation. Okay, so that's how it's useful. So the minimum number of operation is 5 in this case. Okay, now that's the thing. Now one thing to understand here is that if you do the second operation in your answer, then suppose xyz with a string, after which you apply the second operation. Then after applying the second operation to the xyz, the string will be like xyz again xyz, right? This will be the thing. And suppose I have to make xyz EFG, that is I have to make. So I first add x, then I add y, then I add z, then I do the second operation. I got xyz. So what I want to say is that if the second operation is applied to the string, then there must be two consecutive duplicate string. Okay, I applied second operation, that means there is a string which is placed just after that string. Actually here is a string I placed which is after the string itself, right? So they are actually duplicate consecutive string, because they must not have like this xyz c xyz. I cannot make this string using my second operation, because I add a, then I add y, then I add z, then if I add c and then do the this second operation, it will be like xyzc, then again xyzc, and I had to make xyzc xyz. Suppose I had to make this string, so my string will be like xyzc xyzc. This is not the way, right? So we cannot use second operation here. So obviously there will be two consecutive strings. Okay, so we actually have to compute based on that. This will be our solution. Okay. This will contribute to our solution. So hope you understand the thing. The motive is to understand that if the second operation applied to the string, then the string must have two consecutive duplicate string. Okay. Okay. Now see the solution, how it's coming. So this is the answer 5 for it. Now see the solution, how we are gonna do it. So suppose we have given this string ABC, ABCA. What we are gonna do? We are gonna keep here a string str and a string s and a variable answer here. Now it is 0. Suppose it is empty, it is also empty. Now we take this first value a and store here the rest of the string, which is BC ABCA. Okay. Now we will see that if A is present in this string or not. Yes, it is present. Here also it is present. So we will update this answer by the length of this str, which is 1. Now we will add B here to this string, and we will compute the rest of the string, which is CABCA. Okay, the rest of the string is this part, CABCA. Now is AB present in this string? Yes, here it is present, AB. Right, this string is present in this string. So we'll update this answer by length of this str, which is 2. Now at C, compute the rest of the string, which is ABCA. Is ABC present in ABCA? Yes, this is the string ABC. So we'll update this string by 3, length of ABC. Okay. Then we will add A. So if we got that str is present in my S, I will update this answer. I will update my answer. Okay. If str is present in S, this string is present in my S, I will update my answer. Now if it is not present, then what we are going to do? If it is not present, in this case ABC, this is ABCA, and our rest of the string is BCA. Is ABCA present in BCA? No. So we will just break. But before break, we are just looping over the string, and we will break. But before break, we will update this answer by some value, which will be our final answer. Okay. So till C, till this ABC, we are computing the answer, right? After this, so that means that ABC is the last string to be repeated. Okay. So that means that our string will be like ABC, then some other values. Okay. And with that values, we are creating the string, right? So we add A, then we add B, then we add C. After that, we got that this string ABCA is not present in here. That means this is the last string to be repeated. Okay. So that means what is so till here we have done three number of operations. So after that, it means that this is the last string to be repeated. That means after it must have this string again. So it will be like ABC. Now placing this whole string at the end of the string is another operation. So this is another operation 1. So the total number of operation will be 3 plus 1 here. And since we are breaking, so before breaking, we got this condition, we will break. But before breaking, we will compute our final answer value by. So till this point, we got 3 number of operation. And to place this whole string at the end of this string itself, it will take another 1 operation. So our answer is answer plus 1 plus something else. What is that? See, so we have to make ABC ABCA. So ABC is made till now. So we have to make the other part also. So to make the other part, we cannot use the second operation because the second operation is used for ABC, and we can use the second operation only once. So this list of the string can be made just by doing adding the characters, right? So here is suppose A, E, F, G. So after that, how we are gonna make the rest of the whole string? So after ABC, after this we will place E, A, then we will place E, then we will place F, after that then we will place G. So the length of the rest of the string will be number of operations actually, because after it we are just adding characters, we are not doing the second operation. We only have the first operation to do. Second operation is done here and we can only use that once. So now we can only use the first operation. So the length of the rest of the string is actually the number of operation to complete the whole string. Okay, so that's the thing. So till ABC we had 3 number of operation. Adding this at the end of this string, we need one more operation, and after it the rest we have to make the whole string. So up to this the string is formed. We have to make the whole string, and to make the whole string we need to make the rest of the string also, and to make the rest of the string we need to make this string. So this string can be made by only using the first operation, which can be done by adding the characters, and the number of characters will be actually the number of operation, and the number of characters is actually equal to the length of this string, right? Because if it is like ABED, suppose here is my ABED, so number of operation will be 4, because we will add A, then we will add B, then we will add E, then we will add D, right? So after here what we will add, till now our answer which was 3, we will add 1, which means that adding this whole string at the end, plus twice this string, twice the answer, and we will subtract this from our string length. Okay, because this up to this we have made the string, and this is our total string, which is this is the total string length, this is the up to the string length. So this part is this minus this, which is the length of this string. So we will add S, that is our original string, its length minus twice our answer, which will be the length of the rest of the string. So this will be my updated answer. Okay, so that's the thing actually. Now if we have a string where no second operation is done, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, so we will follow the same algorithm here also. So push A here, compute the rest from the string. So A is not present here, so we will just break. If not present, just break. But before breaking, compute the final answer, which will be twice the answer, that is twice 0, and subtract it from the length of the string, which is 6, and we have to add this to our answer plus 1, so which will be 1 plus 6, which is 7. So see, actually we need 7 operation because there are no second operation done, right? So you have to just add A, then add B, then add C, like this. So we will do just 7 number of operations. That will be the minimum number of operations. That's the algorithm, more or less algorithm. Okay, so now let's code. You have to remember this thing. Now let's code. Code is very easy. So we are going to just define an answer variable and a string str, which is empty, and we loop. till s dot length. So we will do str plus equal to s dot caret I. Then we will compute a string s, which is rest of the string. Let's name it rest of the string. Okay, rest of the string, which is s dot substring I plus 1. Then we will check if the str string is present in rest of the string or not. That is, does str contains str? If it is true, then we are going to set the value by length of str, which is I plus 1, right? So I plus 1 is the length of the string. So here is our ABC, A. Here is our str, which is A, then B, then C. So A means what? A's index is 0. So 0 plus 1 will be the length of A. Here is AB. So B's index is 1. B's index is 1. So I plus 1 will be 2. So 2 is the length of AB. C's index is 2. Right? C's index is 2. So 2 plus 1 will be the length of ABC. Right? Otherwise, we will compute the value by doing answer, no, by doing what? Answer plus 1 plus s dot length minus twice the answer. Okay, and we will break and return our answer. Alright, and if our string size is 1, that is a special case, then we will return just 1. Because to add one character, we need one operation only. Let's compile this. Okay, so here will be like answer equals answer plus 1 plus this thing. Now let's submit this. Okay, so we have done this. So I hope you like the video, and if you do, then like, share and subscribe. So see you in the next video.